Verizon, which is the largest of the US mobile phone operators. It kind of came out of that evolution of the baby bells, and it offers now its LTE and fiber optic networks, Fios networks in the big US cities. It's also, though, in the process of expanding its content assets. It bought AOL at some point, and then it's buying Yahoo and a whole lot of other publishing assets, websites and so on. Market capitalization, $179.2 billion. Huge. Price earnings ratio 14.94, dividend yield of 5.15%. But look at the chart. So this is a company that hasn't really yet gotten into a dominant position content-wise, and as a result, people are saying, well, we're not sure if you can contain and manage and retain your eyeballs, so you're over-competitive and it's low margin and we don't like you so much.
Yeah, and look, they're in the process of trying to roll out a 5G network in the US. So look, this is a tech company.
They have the best network in the US.
Yeah.
They have the highest average revenue per user, therefore, or about $50 a month, more than the competitors.
Yeah. So look, I think in terms of the distribution, this is a wonderful company. It's great, and it's as you said, it's been through a number of transformations over the years. But it comes back to this bit about content. It hasn't got the ability as yet. That may well happen with further consolidation in the industry.
What is the rollover here thought for our Vodacoms and MTNs? Because we are in a market in Africa where there's lots of opportunities still to sell smartphones to people, so it's not as though there isn't growth opportunity there. But this is, in a sense, the future.
Yeah.
The problem with these mobile phone companies is once you reach sort of maximum penetration, so to speak, you can't really increase margins. Everybody ends up on these unlimited data packages, so you get a little bit capped. So that's why I think we see the likes of MTN, Rob Shuter starting to look at possible acquisitions of like MultiChoice Africa that's being talked about, trying to launch, football on the phone, financial services, all sorts of value add in order to not get stranded as just the guy that owns the pipe and someone else is making the money.
Yeah, and look, again, it came back to what you were talking about earlier, convergence of technology. So if you've got the ability, and I've got the Samsung S2, the S3, the later edition, you can actually watch a movie on that. I don't
on your watch.
On your watch. I don't think I'd actually really want to do that, but it's got a bigger thing. And you can. One of my former colleagues actually mentioned this to me.
Under the right circumstances, then you might.
Exactly, but as you say, if you've got the uncapped internet, albeit with all sorts of throttling coming in place, you can do this type of thing. So again, device, technology, content, all coming together. No, look, I think there is tremendous scope for that type of thing.
Okay, but as far as Verizon is concerned, perhaps because of the fact that they're lagging a little on the content front, I'm not sure that buying Yahoo is going to fix that problem. It's a small-ish acquisition. It's like a $4 billion kind of purchase. So we're going to go hot, not hot on this?
Not hot on this
Not
one.
hot.
No.
Okay, we'll give it a pass.